Are you leaving money on the table this tax season? Most Americans miss out on deductions that could save them thousands of dollars, but not you, not this year. Stay tuned, because we're breaking down the top tax deductions you need to know in 2025. Taxes can be overwhelming, but knowing the right deductions can save you thousands of dollars. In this video, we'll explore the top tax deductions you should know in 2025 to keep more money in your pocket. Tax deductions reduce your taxable income, meaning you pay less in taxes and might even get a refund. Let's dive into the key deductions you can claim this year. If you're working remotely or running a business from home, the home office deduction lets you claim a portion of your rent, utilities, and internet bills. Make sure the space is exclusively used for work. Did you know you can deduct up to $2,500 in student loan interest or claim the lifetime learning credit for continued education? These can ease the burden of educational costs. Donating to qualified charities doesn't just make a difference. It can also reduce your taxable income. Remember to keep your receipts for both cash and non-cash contributions. Out-of-pocket medical expenses that exceed 7.5% of your adjusted gross income are deductible. This includes prescriptions, surgeries, and even travel expenses for medical care. Contributions to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA are tax deductible, helping you save for the future while reducing your current tax bill. Self-employed or running a side hustle. Deduct expenses like business travel, office supplies, and even client meals. These deductions can significantly lower your taxable income. These are just a few of the top tax deductions for 2025. Stay informed, keep records, and consult a tax professional to make the most of your deductions. Hit like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your finances.